Hello there, 6B, week 5. School's moving pretty quick, we need to keep up. We'll continue to focus on factors and multiples. So factors fit into a number. Okay, so if it was 10, the factors of 10 would be 1 times 10, 2 times 5. So the factors would be 1, 2, 5, 10. If it was multiples of 10, multiples means like multiplying, getting bigger, it'd be 10, 20, 30, 40. Factors and multiples. We're looking at prime, composite, and square numbers. So square numbers, 1 times 1 is 1. 1's the first square number. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 is the second square number. 3 times 3 is 9. The fifth square number is basically 5 times 5, 25. Square numbers. Prime and composite number. Prime number is divisible by 1 and itself. 2 is the only even number that is a prime number. Composite numbers have 3 or more factors. Okay, so 9 is not a prime number because the factors of 9 are 1 times 9 and 3. 3 times 3. So the factors of 9 would be 1, 3, and 9. That means there's 3 factors. It must be composite. Order of operations is what we're looking at as well. So there's a lot going on, but we need to cover all of that. But at the same time, we need to revise our basic facts. So every week, we're doing a basic fact sheet. You are improving your scores each week. If you don't, or if you struggle a little bit, take one of those sheets home. It's going to be on Google Class. Okay, practice them. I will mix them up as well, so don't just rote learn them in that particular order. I'll mix them up. So you actually need to learn your times table. So when I say learn your times tables, you actually have to do something about it. Focus on one. If you want to be the 4 times table, 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 4 is 12. That's like your multiples. Okay? At the same time, once you've learnt them, do the inverse operation. Okay? 40 divided by 10 would be 4. 36 divided by 9 would be 4. Mix them up. 28 divided by 4 would be 7, because 7 times 4 is 28. So mix them up, learn them. That way, multiplication and division, a little bit easier when you come to long division, because we will get there, and long multiplication as well. So, what I'm focusing on, addition and subtraction. If we're pretty confident with our addition, then move on to the subtraction. But I've got on Google Class a Mathlytics little booklet or some sheets, mainly just focused on a couple of pages of addition, 21 and 22. If you know how to do addition, just show me 3 examples. Put 3 in there. And when I say put them in, make it nice and neat. You don't need to put the ones, tens and hundreds, but as long as they're lined up, 1 digit per square. Line them up neatly. Where your answer is, put a pencil mark there so it's nice and clearly see that's your answer. So in this particular one, we've got 5 plus, if you roughly estimate first, that's the best sort of thing I would say. So I look at the big column, hundreds, 400 plus 200, it's going to be over 600. If I look at the tens, I've got 3 tens and 8 tens. So 3 plus 8, it's going to be more than 10. So that means I can't put 2 digits here, I have to bring one over. So we know this was going to be 700 or something. Let's go back here. Do it the proper way. Nice and neatly done here, it's addition. 5 plus 9 is 14. Put the 4 down, the 1 goes here. No, you can't do it. You've got to bring the 1 into the tens place. So I can't have 2 digits in one column. So in this particular case, this person's put the 1 down here. That's fine. I usually put it up here, but you choose whichever way works best for you. You have to bring the 1, carry the 1 over. So now I've got 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 8 is 12. 2, and again the 1 doesn't stay there. This person put it here, I put it here. Then 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 4 is 7. 724. Do 2 or 3 of these. If you're confident with it, move on. Okay? Don't do the whole lot. if you're struggling, stick with this. Okay, that is on page 2122. The other one here, well, we just get a little bit further down here. It's more of a challenging sort of one, these ones. If I look at this particular one here, again, it's a plus, but they're missing some numbers, so a bit of problem solving, which is awesome. So I've got 400 and something tens, 5 ones. Don't know how many hundreds here. Got 2 tens, don't know the ones. So we need to fill in the gaps. So 5 plus something equals 7. And again, you could use the inverse operation. 7 minus 5 would give you this answer. Or you can start with this one and count up to that. So this one would be 2. 2. Where's my red one? Make it easier. Yeah, you can see that. 5 plus 2 is 7. Don't need to bring anything over. Something plus 2 equals 5. Again, I could use the inverse operation. 5 minus 2 will give me this one. Or something plus 2 gives me 5. 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. Come across here. Again, same sort of situation. I can do 8 minus 4. Or 4 plus something gives me 8. 4. So double check. 5 plus 2 is 7. 3 plus 2 is 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. Correct. Okay, so give them a go. If you will find that some of them will have, just looking at this one here, could be a bit of a challenge. So I'm actually just going to look at, I don't want to give you the answer, so I'm just going to show you an example. This one over here, you can see that from way over there. It's 257 plus 360 something equals something and 23. So it's a plus. 7 plus something equals 3. Well, it's not going to work, is it? So this really must mean I'm going to carry something over to the next column. So 7 plus something, this is really going to be 13. Has to be. So I could do 13, take away 7, do 6. 7 plus 6 would be 13. I'll put the 1 down here, but I'm going to bring it over to the next one up here. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus another 6 is 12. Bring the 1 over here. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6. So my answer, 623, is what I'm getting. But if I wanted to really double check 623, then I could do the inverse operation. Just take one of these, put it in here. So we've got 257. It doesn't matter which one I do. I'm going to minus it. And you should give me 366 if I'm correct. So let's check. 3 minus 7 I can't do. And across the keys, knock on the door. Excuse me, Mr. Number 10, can I borrow one? Yeah, Mr. Blair, help yourself. Oh, thank you. So this now leaves 1. Bring this one over here. Comes 13. 13 minus 7 leaves 6. 1 minus 5 can't happen. Have to come across the hundreds door. Excuse me, Mr. Hundreds, can I borrow one of you? Or can I exchange, really, is what I'm really saying. Oh, yes, Mr. Blair. Thank you. That leaves 6, take away 1 leaves 5. Bring the 1 over next to the 1 here. So it's now saying 11 tens, which we shouldn't really have, but this is the way you read it. 11 take away 5 or exchange. 11 take away 5 is 6. 5 take away 2, because we took 100s away. Put it into the tens. 5 minus 2 is 3, which is what we got. Okay, so give those a go. Let me work it out. Okay, and I'm just looking, I want to go through this a little bit quicker. And again, give those a go. Subtraction, same sort of situation. I'll do first one. Bring this over this way. Alright, 2 minus 3, can't do. So if they come across here, take 1 from here, that becomes 7. This becomes 12. Now some people might just go, they might cross out and put a 12 up there, it doesn't really matter. It's going to be 12. 12 ones. 12 take away 3 leaves 9. 7 take away 5 leaves 2. 9 take away 1 leaves 8. And 4 take away nothing, leaves 4. Again, do the inverse operation. If I add this part up here, I'm basically adding these two now, and if I get the same answer, it should equal that top one. 3 plus 9 is 12. And one over here. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Nothing plus 4 is 4. 4,982. 4,982 is what we started. That's proving that you are correct. Do a few of those. If you're struggling, do a couple more and I'll help you do it. Please make sure you've got 1 digit in each placeholder there. Okay, so don't put 2, don't make it messy in your book. Rule your lines for where your answer is so I can clearly see that. From here, if you're feeling pretty confident, do these. There's some bigger ones here. We're talking, well, this one's thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. Then we get into the millions. Millions has got 7 digits. 10,000 has, or 100,000 has got 6 digits. 10,000, 5 digits. Thousands, 4 digits. Hundreds, 3 digits. Tens, 2, and obviously one's 1. Once you've done that, that is 23, 24. Like I said, if you're really good at it, just do 3 of each one, just so I know that you know what you're talking about. From there, we've got decimals. Don't do page 25, forget that one. Here, there's decimals on here. Oops, bring it up a bit. Decimals, as long as you keep the decimal in one place, you'll be fine. Let's just do this one here, for example. It's just the same as a normal 323 plus 581, but it's just decimals in there. Keep the decimal in there. Put the numbers, before you do anything, put the decimal point straight underneath. Okay? That's all, and you've got the same style. 3 plus 1 is 4. This is in the tenths place. 2 plus 8, we're in the ones. 2 plus 8 is 10. Again, this person would want to carry the ones here into the hundreds or tens. This one goes up. I'll put it up here. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9. 90.4, which is the same as saying 90 and 4 tenths. Give those a go. If you do feel confident with that, the next one, we're talking currency. Just be aware of this. When we're talking currency, I can see we've got the pound sign here. In other countries, they might have dollars and cents. In UAE, we've got dirhams and fil. Just be aware, after the decimal point is always 2 decimal place values. Always 2. Okay? This one says £8 and 50 pence, or you might say 8 dirham and 50 fils. If it said 8 dirham and 5 fils, don't put it like this, because you need 2 decimal places. So that 5 would have to come over here, and the 0 here, because there's a difference between, and we need a sort of a symbol here. It's the same £8 and 50 fils. This is the same £8 and 5. Oh, £8 and 5 pence, or 8 dirham and 50 fils, or $8 and 50 fils. The same £8, 5 pence. 8 dirham, 5 fils, or $8 and 5 cents. Have a go at that. Yes, there's a lot of conversation going on there, but revise it. Be confident. You can do it.